Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix laptop or PC number key not working in Windows 10, 8 or 7. So in here, I'm using Windows 10 on my computer, and let's say that my number key is not working on my keyboard. So here I'm going to show you the solution. So first you can just click on this search column and then just type in on screen to find this on screen keyboard. So click on this and the on screen keyboard will be open. So if you cannot find the number key, so what you need to do is just click on the options in here, and there will be this option box, and you need to enable the turn on numeric keypad. So just click on this, and after that you can just click on OK, and now the num block is here on the on-screen keyboard. So you can just use this on-screen keyboard to enable the number lock. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.